That does look good. Supersize hunters. Giant river otters. At nearly 6 feet long, the world's biggest. Each one eats 8 pounds of fish a day. These are just quick bites. They'll need something much more substantial, like 20-pound peacock bass. The fish seek safety by hiding amongst submerged branches. But together, the otters flush them out, driving them into the shallow. But not all this fish is going to be eaten right now. Someone has been missing out. He's too small to join the hunt. There may be fish all around him, but pups don't think of them as food. Yet. Not sure this tapir is going to be much help. At last, his family has returned with the catch of the day. That does look good. In a couple of months, he'll be hunting for himself.